We're now ready for the final two parts of incorporating our ingredients together. I've already added now 3 parts of the dry ingredients and 2 parts of the wet. It is very important to add these a little bit by little bit, otherwise the cake batter will not have a good mixture. You'll have lumps of flour in some parts and you'll have liquid in other parts. It's really important to divide it up like this so that everything gets mixed in evenly. So we're going to mix in our last bit of liquid. And let me just start this up. With all of our incorporations, because of the consistency of the cake batter, it's remained fairly liquid. So you don't want to have too high of a speed on your mixer because it really doesn't need it in order for everything to be mixed, and you risk splashing if you have it on too high of a speed. So that's mixed in the last bit of liquid. So now let's add the last bit of flour. We can tap this spoon to get the last bits of flour off of it before using our spatula to get it out of the bowl. Now, because this is a cake batter, it needs to have a pourable consistency, which is what we are achieving. It's going to be very, very liquidy. Get that last bit in there, and then we're going to once again turn this on to a slow speed as the last bit of flour and cocoa mixture are mixed in to our cake batter.